Use an Andis trimmer to trim longer hairs down to a stubble.
Use overlapping strokes with the clipper going with the growth stream to trim all the hairs down to a stubble.
Use the clipper to fade the temple area into the beard if desired. Fade using a flicking motion in 3 areas. First while the clipper setting is closed, then while the clipper setting is set to halfway open in a small section below the first section, then fade with the clipper set all the way open in areas slightly below the second one. Freehand the loose, unruly hairs with the teeth of the clippers gliding across the shape of the beard. Use the shaver to shave the stubble down to the skin. Apply pressure until both shaver heads are pressed against the desired to be shaven area, with the shaver moving against the direction the hair grows. After you finish shaving, apply a post-shave gel to help soothe your scalp, and then add a beard balm to your beard for moisture.